good evening, Dad. We are here in Kakata today. So for here now, you can see that the bar wire. We put the bar wire here, and then we are almost nearing to the completion of this painting. As you can see, this is the building, and you can see this is it. The bar wire. Mr. Cole has installed the last portion of it, and then this is the security booth. We have not finished painting the security booth yet, so this is the barbed wire on the neighbor side. So we have do the installation here today. We put the barbed wire, the last part of this here today, and down. This is the place here. This is the storage for this place. You can see coming up here all the way going down here. We have almost complete everything here now. So this is it. As you can see, I'm walking towards the baby gone. Okay, I'm walking towards the place here. You can see that this, we put this in order to block the water from coming back, so the water is actually going to be hitting. So this is how we did this part. Then walking now towards this side. So this now we have completed all these things here, and then here, this is it. You can see this is the security, the generator area. So everything is on course, and you can see trying to plant a flower here. And this is the back view of the building, and this is it. You can see this place here. So you can see I'm taking you to the Palava hut. We potty this place today. This is it. So this is it. This is the Palava hut. So we did this, and then this is it. You can see. So try to find all means to see harvest this place. We could see how we could put down here, but then here we could not get it. So all those broken tiles that was available, and we use it here in order for people to be sitting on this veranda here, on the step. How to call this? Okay, so this is, as you can see, we were only able to pull this thing here, and then so here, see this. See this. Okay, so this is it. So you can see this is it. So tomorrow now we're going to complete this side for the potty. So up here, and then we're going to put the paint you talk about. So this is it. Just try to show this to you this evening, because being a while now we are still working here in Kakata. So this is it. This is it. There you go. Okay, so okay, so you can see that light are all here under the Palava kitchen here. You can see. I'm still here in Kakata, so everything is under control, and the meter is working. It is already written in our names, and I made the first recharge on the meter, and it came out successfully. So we are using that. So thought it wise to share this with you. So this is it. You can see. There we go. Okay, thank you. Not to make the video too long. Thank you so much. And there we go. So this is the house, and the building. The timbers are almost completed, and then this is it. see this the case I'm doing this video, so you can see. Okay, this is a master's. Not just taking it all in. So this is it. Okay, thank you.